Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car amplifier equalizer in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car amplifier equalizers to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is senu DSM10 Pro. Specifications: brand name, senu. Model name, DSM10 Pro. Material type, aluminum. Audio sensitivity, 100 decibels. Signal to noise ratio, 100 dB. Impedance, 2 ohm. Frequency range, 20 Hz 20 kHz. Out power, 8 by 90 W. Audio encoding, stereo. Color name, black. Item size, 200 mm, 180 mm, 46 mm. Item weight, 2.5 kilograms. Number 4 is MBQ Car Audio DSP Amplifier. Specifications: brand name, no N name _ null. Model name, 6101A. Color name, black. Impedance, 4. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Item type, amplifiers. Item weight, 1.5 kilograms. As the item number 3, we've selected senu X10B. Specifications: brand name, senu. Model name, X10B. Material type, aluminum. Audio sensitivity, 100 decibels. Signal to noise ratio, 94 decibels. Impedance, 4 ohms. Frequency range, 20 Hz 20 kHz. Out power, 4 by 80 W. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Controller, LCD remote controller. Color name, black. Item weight, 1.45 kilograms. Item size, 280 mm, 233 mm, 68 mm. Number 2 is IAVI P48E Car DSP. Specifications: brand name, IAVI. Model name, P48E. Color name, silver. Audio sensitivity, 91 dB. Signal to noise ratio, 0.1%. Impedance, 4 ohms. Frequency range, 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Out power, 4 by 50 W. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Item weight, 1.65 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have senu Car DSP. Specifications: brand name, senu. Model name, DPX10 Plus. Material type, aluminum. Audio sensitivity, 88 decibels. Signal to noise ratio, 94 decibels. Impedance, 4 ohms. Frequency range, 20 Hz 20 kHz. Out power, 4 by 80 W. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Item weight, 2 kilograms. Item size, 280 mm, 233 mm, 68 mm. Color name, black.